Hey guys, welcome to my cooking show.
Today we're making dough cups. Ew.
No, it's not ew, it's yummy.
But it's pretend. First, get 2 cups of milk. Pour it into a medium-sized bowl.
Okay,
Mama. What happened to this?
Sometimes
Daddy, we made an accident mess, but that's okay. Matt just tried to tip over it and spilled a little bit. So we're trying to clean it up. Now we got it. Add a packet of chocolate pudding. Ew, it looks like we're putting in dirt. Man, look at this mud now. Refrigerate 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna make the dough. But it's not actually real. It's pretend. Add some oil to the blender.
Okay, Mama.
Daddy, it's okay because they could get yucky because we're making dough. Okay, and ready? Here we go. I'm so excited to do the gummy worms and ice cream. I love those kind of treats. Get you pudding again. I want tub of whipped cream. Here we go. The whole tub.
The whole thing in there. Whoa.
It's gonna look like real dough. This is so yummy. Oh, excuse me, man. That is so yucky. Hey, now we have our mud. Add your mud into bowls. Ready? I'm gonna make my bowl all the way to the top, and then I'm hiding the gummy worms, and then they'll say peekaboo. Now we're gonna add some dough. I'll sprinkle this on. Now the gummy worms. Chocolate hands. One more for me. Enjoy your dough, guys. Just kidding.
But not the dough. It's the gummy I want.
Yummy. This was so yummy. Bye bye.